come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I fuck, cause I get
next to blow. You know I ain't going like that, I ain't that. No T in the back, float around, fuck next to blow. You know I ain't going like that, I ain't that. But I grind hard to get where I'm at. I'ma blow about that. I'm gonna bring my body back on the plane.
No. Hey Sam.
Give me that vlog.
Hey Champ. Close the door.
About to move the car up.
There we go, yeah, you push the car.
Please push it.
They're gonna be like, no, you can't record in here. Okay.
Come on, please push the same.
Go for it. Take them off my shoulder. Fresh?
Bro, you see it on YouTube.
Alright y'all, so we are in Target. I had to get Saint a stroller because I didn't bring mine. And
You do this is good tennis racket, Mel. Record me. Record me.
you know that Spanish guy that be on. It is super hot. We're at BJ's about to get some food, some groceries, and I guess we're heading back home for I don't want that. What do you think I want? Y'all, I'm thinking like so hard about taking my wig off and just wearing my natural hair. We're gonna see. Alright y'all, so I'm getting settled in at my dad's house. We were going to get a hotel because me and my dad actually haven't talked in 3 to 4 years, so you know how that goes. The thing about that is now that I'm gonna get like a cancellation fee, which means I'm gonna have to tell them somebody stole my car. That wasn't me, because the hotel was like $300 something. So I'm gonna have to say my car is stolen, whatever, or just tell them like that was not me. That charge was not me. But Fame, so far, he's been like on 10 the whole entire day. Why? I do not know. I guess because he's in a different place. But he's been on 10 all day long. Like, running around, just, I don't know, he's just happy. Look. We're in the basement. Same.
Let's move.
Same. But yeah, the whole story time on my dad and us not speaking, you know, that's the story time for like another day. I'm not really trying to get into all of that. He just took his pepper off. But I will get into that another time, maybe closer towards the end when we're back home. I'm just glad that I have to spend money because I really haven't been working. I've been helping my mom, putting her in bed, things like that. So I really haven't been working because her worker had quit. I don't know if I mentioned that in a vlog or not. But yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. Trying to figure out what we can do tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna figure something out. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey, y'all. I'm just doing my makeup right now. Same did makeup. Then I gotta do my hair. Alright, so let's finish up this makeup. I'm just installing. Probably would have been done. I don't like my wig, y'all. I really want to take it off so bad.
Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Can't compare here. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got Hold on, I ain't talking to you. Hold on.
Say hey. Do like.
But let's go to the
Do you know how kids wake up? Okay. Hey y'all, so we're in Towson Mall today. Where are you going?
Following you.
Oh, I know. I was talking.
Hold on, bro. You can carry me.
Hold up. Got it.
Don't you get out. Alright y'all, so I'm looking for some graduation shoes because I didn't buy any at home. Preferably something like some Hey Dudes or whatever. Something that's dressy. Okay, I do see some, but the gray. She's a baby. What a baby. Oh, you talking about you? You're not a baby. You're a big boy.
Your baby gave away your life. Yep, we didn't know.
Why you got girl shit?
Oh yeah, these are not girl shoes.
Yes, it is.
You got some Birkin stuff.
But there are some Crocs.
No, that's not gonna fit his outfit. Your shirt dirty already.
So get this. No, don't just sip it up here, John.
Alright,
I let go.
I need to get Saint a leaf.
Oh my god.
Saint, come on. Come on. Be good. Alright.
Yep.
Yeah, you
What
are.
you about to do?
My baby. What we about to do?
Oh, I thought you was about to.
What we about to do, Sal?
Man, we about to go get this Raising King, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm said everybody out, we brought the whole block out. We brought to go down there and raise our cane. Yeah, man. I'm gonna meet y'all when we get inside. Let's go.
What is it? Meet me, don't beat me, something like that. Saint. Say hey. Let mama hold your hand.
Puff, you better get right.
I try fry. I ain't never ate a fry before.
I'm in the sleeping week. I be the killer that I'm with traveling feeling. I did it. I done made it a hell of a feeling. Bro, them niggas is not fucking with us. I watched the cruise to the city. Got no records of trust and wisdom.
Alright, y'all.
I got me to take 2 more pictures.
I'll do it when I get out there. Y'all gotta pee? Y'all, this is so nice. Because it's like just so hot. Saint! Come back, Saint! Hey y'all, so today is Friday. I took my hair down. I'm just decided to just put it in the bun because I had that wig on, but y'all, I was not feeling the wig, so that's what I did. But it's like 2:30. I'm about to go to Target, about to get an Uber and get some things for graduation. That's pretty much it. But yeah, so look at my dress. I actually wore this outfit already, but I put it back on because I didn't take any pictures, so it's like, you know, didn't take any pictures, didn't go anywhere. Like, why not? I need some time by myself. Okay, like, ooh. I've been with him this whole summer, and the summer ain't even started yet. I don't know if I should put my lashes on or keep it bald face. I don't know. You want to be in my YouTube? Yeah, that's my YouTube. This is Prince, y'all. Go ahead and order Uber because before you know it'll be 3 o'clock and it's 1 to 1 and you know, things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get Uber. Alright, y'all, so I cannot find any graduation gifts. I have no idea. So I'm gonna have to go somewhere else, probably like Walmart, because I don't see anything in Target at all. Like, literally nothing.
Yeah.
I'm so cozy.
I redid my hair. I like this one a little better. But we're about to go finally. We've been waiting for like a long time now, so we're about to go bowling and we're gonna go to the seafood place, hopefully, because like I said, we've been waiting for a long time and I'm ready to go. We've been at home just chilling forever, so yeah. You gonna like this?
But you had call on phone on sleep.
I don't know if this vlog gonna be boring or not, but we leave Sunday, so we're trying to make the best of it. Graduation is tomorrow. My brother graduates tomorrow. He graduates high school. So, oh, can I get the car keys? We're about to go.
Turn right onto Milford Mill Road. 5 mph speed limit, camera ahead.
Somebody digging their nose. They're digging their nose. I hate Siri sometimes. It didn't even tell you to reroute.
At the stop sign, turn left
these
onto
black people
Governor's
got
Run.
money. Yes, sir. Okay, all these 10s in the building. Same. Put it down. Okay, go ahead, take that shot. Okay, shot. I got you some fries. Oh, thanks.
What did you say to you?
These fries? I got you some fries, Bookie Boo. Good morning.
Sparking.
Good morning. We're all ready and set for Simeon's graduation. Oh yeah.
Go to ear. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. Okay. Yeah, you ready?
Make sure you take him some pictures. They getting ready. Y'all, I had to take my lashes off. I'm about to get us some crabs. What color?
Yellow.
Yeah. And what else? Red. Alright, y'all. So we about to go get us some crab legs. It's our last day in Berlin. So we're just gonna eat some crabs with the fam. Yeah. We're going to Giants where we're at right now. I told y'all I had to take my eyelashes off. Your girl eyes was like watering because I was so sleepy. I was so tired.
Word to my buddy, yo, go follow me on Instagram, almighty_Draco. We from the Bronx. In the Bronx, we gonna get jiggy. I never thought I'd be running my city.
Dude, really? You gonna do my child like that?
I just hit my leg.
Hey, Saint.
That ninja cool, but Draco
Ow.
the
Saint.
oh, that stuff stink. God.
Alright, y'all. Crabs in the oven. Sail on the meat.
Seriously.
Chance on the
Sprite.
yes.
You gave him a banana?
Yeah.
He's not gonna eat it.
Why? He's just looking at it. Nana.
Apple banana.
Yeah. Sal got some drinks. He said he about to get toe up.
Look, sorry, my homegirl said here's her line.
What?
My homegirl said here's
Well,
her
tell
line.
her I like men.
Let me see that. Let me see that. I'm gonna get so as soon as I get to the crib.
Oh, wait a minute.
What's this? What you supposed to do?
Sir, you got the muscles.
Muscles. You know it's not no muscles.
People got that sex, got food service. I got the food service.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, that thing real. I mean, yeah, Bernie got it. And he looks real good. No, I don't think so. She can get that shingle, so when I clear up, you all, that hurts. That hurts real.
Oh, yeah, YouTube.
That's a YouTube video y'all made.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They're making a YouTube video.
Oh, man, I should have put it on TikTok.
Oh yeah. You still good.
Too late now?
Oh, you can do it when they come out now.
Yeah.
Hold on, you recording the whole time? The full thing?
No.
And it's still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording, but I just started recording. I didn't.
Oh, did this fan work?
Yeah.
Alright. toast.
Watch it.
I didn't know they was open on the side.
Sorry, you know where the trash bags at now.
Yes.
So when y'all finish.
You mean the recycle bins?
No, the trash bag, white trash bag. So they, finish with the trash stuff. Screw it, just bag it up.
Throw it outside.
You about to go to sleep?
Yeah, I'm going in the room for a while. I'll catch y'all later.
Right.
Sound asleep?
Yeah.
I remember the first time I helped.
Oh, you mean? Woo! You know what that is, don't you?
We got the butter.
TLC so great is you have three forces that are equally talented, each in their own right. I came up with the title for reminders to stay away from what?
No, you got caught up, bro.
Scrubs was an automatic go with radio.
TJ, your mom outside, TJ.
Came out, it took off.
TJ, your mom outside.
Going places, and if you are going to step to me, just make sure that you are on the same level.
Some dudes didn't even know they was a scrub. Like, damn, I think I'm a scrub. I'm gonna be scrubby.
Your knee and your foot today, all on the right side. I have a torn meniscus, I know, but 2.5 years ago or so, I did the cortisone shots. That lasted me till now. But when I had a crisis about a week and a half ago, it just won't totally go away.
Stem cell crisis?
Yeah.
Okay. If the shot worked that well for you last time, I would say to do that again.
I have to dance in the show Saturday. So I did it once a month. And